Oh, hello everybody. How are you all doing? Yes, guess what today is? Guess. Guess it's the first day of fall, y'all. Okay, it's time. I'm ready for the leaves to turn orange and red and yellow and to fall off. I'm ready. It needs to happen right now. What are they waiting for? Today we are doing a fall-inspired look, but with a little Halloween twist. Yes, ma'am, I popped on my P. Louise base, and today I'm going to be using this Glamlite ice cream palette. It is precious. I'm using the shades Chocolate, Pumpkin, Butter Pecan, and I'm also using Pecan Praline later. But I'm starting with chocolate and I'm putting that right in my crease. I wanted to do a really dramatic cut crease because why not? I mean, I think it's okay for us to be dramatic today because it's autumn, you guys. So just saying, we can be as dramatic as we want to, which means you need to go to like all the stores and buy all the Halloween and fall decorations now because officially it's fall. You don't have an excuse. Okay, I've been saying it's fall since September 1st, but my husband keeps saying, no, it's not fall yet. But now it really is fall, so he can't tell me anything now, right? Yeah. So anyways, I'm blending all these colors out as I usually do, starting with the darkest shade, going up to the lightest shade, going back in with the darkest shade, just going back and forth with every single color until I get it as dark and dramatic as I want. And then I'm just taking a wipe and kind of cleaning up my lid a little bit just so the colors don't blend when I go on and do my cut crease. I'm just using my P. Louise base in shade 0 to cut this crease, honey. I'm also using a P. Louise brush. I love the P. Louise brushes for applying the base. They are amazing. Now this is where I'm using pecan, praline, and I'm just popping that right on the lid. Look at that foiled action. That is some serious foiledness. I'm obsessed with this color. And here's where I didn't know what to do next, and I got sad. So I decided to use this glitter from Cosmetix. It's one of their Wickedly Divine liners, so it's a glitter liner, and it's got purple in it. I just decided I wanted to do purple with this because I thought it would make it a little bit more fall-like, you know? So I just put that right in our little cut crease line there. Using my Epic Wear NYX Cosmetics liner in black, I'm just doing a giant cat eye, honey. And when I say giant, I'm not lying, okay? Whoa! See a ghost looking at me right in the mirror. So I went ahead and did my base and the other eye, and now I'm taking this P. Louise Acid Rain base. This is in the shade Blank Canvas. I've been liking this a lot for my lower lash line, just because it doesn't need to be a specific color. Obviously, like it can go with any look that I'm doing, and I can also put it in my waterline and apply colors into my waterline. So I'm doing that with the shade Black Cherry, which is this like magenta purpley color. And it works really well. I've been loving doing this because you don't need to have a certain colored pencil, you know? You can just use any eyeshadow you have, which is great. So I'm dusting away all this excess powder. Yes, ma'am. And I'm just smoking out that lower lash line with chocolate and pumpkin. And then I'm taking French vanilla and I'm putting that right in the inner corner of my eye and my brow bone. Oh, and I was shook, honey, at that pigment and that sparkle. Just finishing off my eyeliner, and then I do the other eye. Ooh, put some mascara on. And I'm taking these chocolate taco lashes from Glamlite. They're super cute. They're dramatic, but they're not as dramatic as, you know, I like to go usually. That's okay, though. I just put some mascara on to blend it all together and obviously tight lined my upper lash line. And I'm using these cute little stickers, so it comes in like a whole sheet and I just cut them up. They're just little leaves and I'm gonna put them on my cheeks and I'm going to go to town. So I just cut them to make them, you know, not giant stickers, and I just lightly press them on, and I'm using these two P. Louise bases and mixing them together and just kind of popping them on. And then that's that. Just kidding, there's a lot more to it. So I put the base on and then I started using like orange and yellow shadows just to set it, and then I just very lightly peel it off. There you have it. Look how cute. And I'm doing 3 different leaves on my cheeks. I'll have the website where I got these from down in the description box because I cannot remember right now. I'm so sorry. But the information will be down below so you guys can go get you some. They have all kinds. I bought for my Glam-O-Ween palette, my bat swatches that I did on Instagram, if you saw that. This is the same brand that I bought those from, like to do the bat swatches. So yeah, they're really cute. They have all kinds of spooky stuff. I'm taking my NYX Cosmetics Hella Fine liquid liner and holding my breath and almost passing out while I draw little jack-o'-lantern faces on these leaves because it was so, I was like, ugh. It was really hard to do these little tiny faces, but I did it. I sure did it. You better believe I did it. And then I just take some white NYX Epic Wear liner, and I also use the red NYX Epic Wear liner, and I just kind of add some little details and just go back and forth and, you know, just add details until I'm happy with it. Make some points on the leaves, make them stand out a little bit more, have some more dimension. Just do whatever you can do. Just do your best, okay? And then I'm just putting some dots on this one. So this, these leaves right here were actually inspired from a photo on Instagram that I saw. So I'll also have the Instagram page. I believe it was just like a Google picture though. I don't think they like made the picture. It's just something they shared, but I will put their Instagram down below. Yes, we got some spooky leaves on our face now. I feel like it was still missing something, so I just added some little gemstones. I just use a lash glue and apply a little dot and then just put some like nail gemstones, or like you can go to Michael's or Hobby Lobby and just get some cute gemstones. And then I popped in my earrings. These are from Allie Bishop. She makes the cutest stuff, you guys, the cutest, spookiest stuff. You gotta go check her out. I'm lining my lips with my LA Splash Cosmetics Architect Lip Liner in Tuscan. Yes, ma'am. And then I am using my new Coven Cosmetics from Killstar liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Void. I decided to do black just to make it a little bit spookier. So I'm just using this first, and then I want a little bit of shine, a little bit of sparkle, just a tiny bit. So I'm using this Necromancy Cosmetica lipstick. See how it has like the gold shimmer in it? It's black, it's called Morgue, but it just adds this cute little shine. I just loved it. So I just popped that on, and there you have it, baby. Spooky leaves. It's fall, it's Halloween. What else could you ask for? I don't think anything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you're subscribed because starting October 1st, honey, we're getting wild, we're getting crazy. It's getting spooky up in here. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.